In today's video, we will be cash stuffing our purple binder, guys. These have some long-term challenges because they are for higher amounts, so they're going to take a little bit longer to do. If this is something you're interested in, please stay tuned. Alrighty guys, let's get started. We have a few challenges here that we want to work on. I don't think I'm going to be doing anything with my road to retirement savings, but we'll see how far this money goes because I have a huge IOU. So let's count the money. We've got 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. We have $80, guys. And as I stated, we have a huge IOU, which is going to take a majority of our money. But first, let's get started here with our 2025 Fridays. This one here is from Celisa at Beautifully Me and You. Let me get a marker here. We are going to do last Friday, which would have been April the 11th. And that's all we're saving here today is $11. How are you all doing? I hope everyone had a great weekend. It is Sunday evening. I am going to try to get this video up today. I did end up going to my mother and my sister's house today, spent some time with them, but I surprised both of them because I picked up Ayana and we went over. She had not seen her in a very long time. Last time she saw her, her belly was really small. My mother has dementia, so she wouldn't remember if she saw her a couple of days ago, unfortunately. But I am so glad that I was able to take her there and we all spent some time together. My grandsons came over, so it was a beautiful, unplanned day. And I really say, guys, sometimes when you don't plan anything and it's last minute, it turns out beautifully. And that's what today was. It was a beautiful day. How was your Sunday, guys? I hope everyone had a good day. Let's get rid of this monstrosity, guys. $48. I cannot believe I have a $48 IOU. So let's see. 30, 5, 40, 5, 45. Do I have any ones? Oh, you know what? I'm going to put these two away and grab a 5. Okay, so I'm not even going to bother counting it. Y'all already know I am not happy about this huge IOU. I'm not even going to scratch another one. We don't have a lot of money left, so you know what, guys? I think I'm just going to come here and do a few roll and saves here. Let's see, we've got 6, 15. You know what? Let's do one. Let's, oh God, I'm going to regret this. I know I am. Let's do one here. I have no idea. Let's roll the die. I really have no idea what the numbers are here because I can't see it, but let's hope we have enough money and we don't end up with an IOU. 2, 1, 2. Alrighty, guys. Not bad. $15. And guys, this one here is another one from Felisa. Did I say Felisa? Pardon me, guys. Celisa at Beautifully Me. Felisa. Oh my goodness. So this one is from Celisa at Beautifully Me and You. I'm going to make sure I link everybody in the description. So we've got $15. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How perfect is that? We are going to roll, and guess what? Hopefully we get a 6, and we're done. Would you look at that, guys? Would you look at that? I said, hopefully we get a 6, and we got exactly that. How awesome was that? All right, so I don't know if you're going to see this one here. Oh, yes, you are. So we've got $6 there. All right. Now, guys, this week things are going to be a little different. Number one, we are preparing for the baby's arrival later on in the week. I need to get a couple things together because I'm thinking my sister may be staying here with the children so that they don't have to leave, and I also have to worry about the dog. So my sister and mother will actually be coming here on Thursday, and they'll sit with the kids. And then Ayana and Angel will be spending the night here on Wednesday if all goes as planned. And then I'll be taking them to the hospital early afternoon on Thursday. And we'll see what happens, guys. So I'm going to try to pre-record a few videos. Possibly, I don't know if I'll be able to do them tonight, but we'll do them tomorrow so that I have a couple of videos set to the side so I can post them. And of course, guys, remember to check my community post later on in the week. So because that's probably where I'll be, and letting you guys know how things are going with the baby. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Again, I hope everyone had a lovely weekend. You guys have a blessed upcoming week. Take care of yourselves. Be safe, and we will be chatting soon.